guys, this is Technomax9 tutorial and you're here with me, Maureen Ralte. Today I'm gonna teach you how to design these graphics in PowerPoint. It's just a graphic. There's no animation, and I hope that we can do this really easy. So let's start the tutorial. I have created this new blank slide. So first of all, let's go to Insert, go to Shapes, and from Shapes choose Rounded Rectangles and draw a rounded rectangle like this, and with this yellow toggle over here, make it more rounded. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, so that's about it. Now duplicate this by pressing Ctrl key on your keyboard and dragging it. Now go to Insert, go to Shapes, and choose this shape right here down below and draw something like this. Duplicate this and go to Rotate and flip horizontal. Go to Insert, go to Shapes, choose a rectangle and draw a rectangle right here. Now select this, and this. Go to Merge Shapes and press Union, and then duplicate this again and put it right here. So we'll make this a little bit smaller this time, say about like this, and duplicate this one more time again. Make this bigger, make this a little bit smaller. I'll select all of them and merge shapes and press Union. So we got this shape. Now the second thing we have to do is shape outline, no outline, shape fill to this color, and then go to Insert, go to Shapes and choose Oval and draw an oval like this. Go to Shape Outline, go to Weight and put 4.5 weight, and change the color to this, and change the shape fill to this color. Now go to Insert, go to Shapes and choose the straight line. Use Shift key on your keyboard and draw a straight line like this. Place it right in the middle. Now shape outline, weight to about 4.5, and go to shape weight and more lines, and from here cap type round and close, format shape. And now we'll change the shape of the outline to this. Now duplicate this shape, change the angle, make it smaller, and place it right here. Now go to Insert, go to Shapes, choose a rounded rectangle and Draw a rounded rectangle like this. Make it more rounded, not too much. Make it smaller. Now you can place this here. And shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, eyedropper to this color. And before we do that, we want to create the legs of the chair. So choose a rectangle. Draw a rectangle like this. Draw another rectangle. Duplicate the rectangle here. Take the rectangle, duplicate it one more time. Place it here. Make it shorter to about this. And duplicate this and then place it right here. Uh-oh. Sorry. Keep this a little bit apart. Now, right click this and bring to front. Duplicate this. 1, 2. And we'll need one more out here. Make it thin to about this, and make it longer to about this size. So go to format, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, eyedropper to this color. Make it further smaller. Select this, 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 and this. Go to shape outline, no outline. Shape fill to this. Now we'll duplicate this again. Sorry. Duplicate this. Place it out here. Sorry about that, guys. Make it small and make it longer. Okay, now we've done that. We'll move this a little bit higher. Yep, that will do. Now go to insert, go to shapes and choose oval, and with the shift key on your keyboard draw a small oval. Shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, eyedropper to this color. Place it out here. Duplicate it. Place one more out here. Duplicate it. Place one more out here. Duplicate it. Place here. Duplicate it. Place here. Duplicate it. And place right here. So now that we've achieved that, go to insert, go to shapes, choose an oval and draw a huge oval like this. Make it a little bit smaller. and wider. Go to shape outline, and the weight should be 4.5, and the shape outline to this color, and shape fill to this color. Now duplicate this, place it here, shift key on your keyboard, make it longer, say about this much. Then you can duplicate this one and place it here, maybe bend it like this, duplicate one more time and rotate horizontal and place it out here. Like this, and duplicate this one more time and place it out here. Now that we've achieved that, go to insert, go to shapes and choose an oval. Draw something like this, and one more time like this, and one more time like this. Select all of them, go to format, go to merge shapes and union, go to insert the rectangle, and with the rectangle place like this, select both of them, merge shapes, subtract. Now when I fill the shape outline weights to 4.5, and this color should be this, and place it here. I have a trick. Let's just do center back and bring forward and bring forward. Yeah, there you go, and place it here. Select this, duplicate it and place it here. So do the same trick, just center back and bring it forward several times. There we go. And we need one more out here. So once you've achieved that, go to insert, go to shapes, choose a rounded rectangle, and do this and send to back, make it more rounded, and select this shape outline to no outline, shape fill, eyedropper to this. Now go to insert, go to shapes and choose oval and do this choose a rectangle and merge shape, subtract, and shape fill, weight 4.5, and outline to this color, shape fill to this color here, and place it right here. So once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, choose a rounded rectangle, make it rounded with this yellow toggle, place it here, shape outline to no outline, shape fill, shape fill to this color, duplicate this, place it here, make it bigger, duplicate this, place it here, and make it longer, and right click and send back. Now that we've achieved that, go to insert, go to shapes, and choose this donut. Shift key on your keyboard, draw a donut like this, like this, and like this. Duplicate this, place it here, make it smaller, duplicate this, keep it here, duplicate it one more time, place it here, duplicate this, place it here, duplicate it, place it here, and one more time over here, make it smaller though. Now go to insert, go to shapes, and choose an oval with the shift key on your keyboard. Draw an oval, shape outline, no outline, shape fill to this color, place it here, duplicate it, make it smaller, duplicate it, change the color, shape fill to this. Now duplicate this out here. Now duplicate this, place it here, change the shape fill to this color, duplicate it one more time here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Change the shape color to this, this, to this, duplicate this one here, change the shape color to this. Alright guys, here's your park view, or we can say a chair in the park. So we've done this. I hope it was easy for you guys too. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll find the PPT for download in the description below for free. So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and please share this video so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you so much.